Today I'll be discussing what I've learned in operations management in hospitality and tourism industry. I'll be focusing on airline operations management and service discovery, delivery, and recovery. Airlines operations management plays a vital role in tourism by ensuring that air travel is safe, efficient, and customer-oriented. It involves the coordination of different personnel, services, from the ground to the aircraft. One of the most visible roles in airline operations is the flight attendant, who is responsible for the passenger safety and comfort. Their duty includes verifying tickets, explaining safety protocols such as seat belts, oxygen masks, and life jackets, and serving meals and the beverage during the flight. To qualify for this role, a flight attendant must meet specific requirements such as appropriate height and weight proportion and good health, and excellent communication skills, especially in English and other required languages. Other important role is the ticketing and reservation agent, who handles flight inquiries, seats availability, baggage check-in, and issuance of boarding passes. Supporting these roles are flight dispatchers, who provide weather information and authorize aircraft departure, as well as ramp and gate agents, who manage baggage transfer, boarding procedures, and passenger verification. Supervisors, crews, schedulers, and airport managers ensure that staff assignments safely standards and airport operations comply with airline and government regulations. In addition to airline operations, service quality is maintained through service discovery, delivery, and recovery. Service discovery involves understanding customer needs and expectation. Service delivery focuses on providing services in efficient, reliable, and customer-friendly manner. When service problems occur, service recovery becomes essential. It is involved addressing complaints, resolving issues, and turning dissatisfied passengers into loyal customers.